Hey, good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday, hump day. Climb on that camel, walk half the day and climb off, and then you're on the other side of the day. Alan, Carla, Nathan, JW, Joe, Emma, John, how are you guys doing? Good morning to everybody. Another bright day. I'm looking forward to today. I need another day like we had the last couple days and last week. I could hey man, I might be able to know how to do this now. We'll see. Good son, Sonny, Bobby, glad you guys are here. All right, let's jump into this real quick. Let's start with some Microsoft. They had earnings and it was uneventful if you ask me. So the trend is still intact. Excuse me. The trend is still intact here. You can see that by looking at our dark chart. Absolutely love that. Here, let me put price on that for a little bit. There's price. You can see price is working. There we go. So the trend is working just fine. Everything's good there. Google maybe didn't fare quite as well. But you know, I wouldn't be surprised if we don't see buying opportunity come in here on Google, to tell you the truth. Wouldn't be surprised to see that also. Let's watch that. AMD, big earnings yesterday, down a little bit. I'm definitely interested in AMD. So if AMD can show me that we can get back into trend a little bit and hang in there, then by golly, I think AMD might be a nice chart. Good morning, Rickster, Julie, Bobby. Let's see. I think I said everybody else. I just saw you guys come in. So, all right, let's take a look at some charts that oh, you know what we better do? SPY. SPY's looking like it's working. I drew this line here yesterday, and I'm going to be very concerned if we close, we stay. We're already below it. But if we stay below 489.33-ish, right in here, I'm going to be a little concerned, and I might even start shopping for some shorts. Not buying, just do some window shopping. Yeah, not putting any money on them yet, just in case we start to roll over. And truthfully, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to go shopping one place, and I think I'll just buy SPY puts if it does that. There you go. That's what I'll do. No shopping. SPY puts. What's the next thing? IYT, the transports. Transports are doing pretty... Excuse me, I had to sneeze, and there's no way I can get two microphones turned off, and this kind of snuck up on me. You can see the trend is still working. Trend indicator is still green. The T line is over the trend indicator. We're looking good. So transports to me are looking great. Thank you, Dennis. Thank you, good son. And then there's SMH. SMH has fallen back a little bit. You know, we don't want it to fall. Here, we don't want it to fall below the trend indicator. We just don't want to do that. And then ultimately, we would like it to come back above 190.25 here. So this might be dead land right in here. Let's see what it does. If the bulls are strong enough to lift us up, then we're golden. If the bears pull us down, well, you know, you may be golden too for a short. So we'll keep an eye on that one. IWM has played very nice, actually. Playing hard to get, that's for sure, but playing nice, you know. Hard to get and giving us clues where we might be headed. So there we go. Yeah, so let's look at some charts here. AMD, if AMD can move itself up, I'm going to be pretty happy about buying that. I think I would like it over the T line. Another thing I would probably like is over that 50% area. So T line plus, I may play with it over the T line, but over that 50% retracement might get me interested. I'm not too interested in it down here. MCK earnings in March. Here we've popped up. We're moving sideways. This is what we call the box, or the pop out of the box. Let's look at the weekly on this one. You can see how it's setting up. Fantastic weekly candle here, and we're just consolidating. And the weekly chart is suggesting about 11% just to the 50-period moving average. So I think we'll put a line there. Here's the daily. Whoa my, right there to the 200-period moving average. This is a rounded bottom breakout, by the way. Very nice. And again, earnings in March, so we have plenty of time. KBE is still trending. We've gone from green, bullish trend, to bears chipping away. They need to eat too, you know, it's okay. They need to eat too. And then, or maybe bulls need to have a little humility. That's what it is, maybe. And then the bulls said, enough of that humility crap. We're getting back in the game. So that's moving up. Nice trend. It's all about that entry now. Early breakouts, 3/8 traps, PBOs. That's all there is really that we think for entries. CAG is doing very well. This is a rounded bottom breakout. I'm interested in buying some CAG. Again, we had it back here. I am interested in buying some CAG. See if that thing can't run up to the 200-period moving average up here. Now, this is only a 5% move on the stock, but that's probably 15, maybe 20% on an option. So CAG. URG, there's URG, Basic Materials. Look how we've rallied up, moved sideways. We've actually had a little breakout here. Little breakout. And right now, this would be the buy box. This is the new tradable bottom right here. This breakout area. That's a new tradable bottom. Anything below that, you want to get out of it and go run for the hills. Okay. This is the kind of stock. These stocks that we go over, the stocks that I posted in the room yesterday, these are the stocks that you want, I think anyway, you want to put on a watch list. That's what I do. I put these stocks on a watch list and I can pay closer attention to them. And then I can, they're already in the sort of in my brain for I'm going to buy. So it's like one thing has already been done and I don't have to fret so much about it. Put everything together, you know, like maybe you like big volume breakouts like this, like that. Maybe we're over earnings during the earnings season. If it's on your watch list, there should not be an earnings concern because you've already filtered through all that stuff. You've already filtered through where a buy box might be. You already know where we might see a little profit taking or where we might put a target or two, something like that. All the work's been done. So watch lists are very important. Here's Campbell Soup. Campbell Soup is doing very well. Nice trend, moving up. Earnings not till March. Look at that nice rounded bottom here. Very nice. Here's the weekly chart. Weekly chart is kind of suggesting that we get up into this area right there. And there's the daily chart. So maybe something right up in here. HAL, look at HAL. Nice pop, nice pullback. This is a belt hold. I think we're acting pretty good here. I'm going to put a line right there. Anything above 346.50 to me is a buy. The buy area is all that right through there. Target area, we're going to come up to peaks and valleys. I think I like that one right here. I like this little valley and these little peaks right in there. I think I'm going to put another one up there to right here. And let's go ahead and put one more. Put one more right up here. So now you put this on your watch list. All your work has been done. You know, this starts moving. That's all you got to do. Act on it. KR is a nice trending chart here so far. Trending and going nowhere, really. You can see the trend. Trending, going nowhere. So what we've got here, though, is an ascending triangle. So it comes up to whatever kind of spot, in this case, some resistance. We stop, we stop, we stop, and the buyers keep putting in higher lows. what that means is the same amount of pressure is being pushed into this stock, okay? The pressure was not too great over here. But the more we get into this tight corner, the pressure starts to build. Now, there's one thing, take this to the bank. Experience has taught me that we can't get very tight over here without something happening. Now, I am by no stretch of the imagination am I saying this could not happen. That could happen. In my experience, when you have the higher lows building, we usually pop out. That's my experience, but I have seen that happen. You know, if the market starts to roll and all of a sudden the whole market goes to crap, you know, if the market is bullish and it all goes to crap, well, this is going to go to crap too. So, ascending triangle, the idea is that it's going to go up. There are those rare times it goes down. So, BX is setting up. I love it when we have this bullishness, strong bullishness. The sellers have to eat too, and now the bulls are coming back in. Okay, so I'm going to call this a morning right here. Thank you very much for being here. I'll be back at the bottom of the hour when the market opens up, and let's see if we can do as well today as we did yesterday, the day before, and last week. Please remember that when it's Wednesday, Ed will be over in the live trading alerts room at 2 p.m. Eastern, and Doug, I don't think it's too late to pick up. Well, it's not too late to pick up one of the 3 trap class. You've missed the first half, so what happens is you'll get the recording, but that also goes on today. So, all right, everyone, take care. Thank you so much. We'll see you in about half an hour, okay?